Greetings, Sekhmet's children. Welcome to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today's video is Magic DIY Lavender Rose Attraction Bath Clay for love and prosperity. So we have 1 cup of kaolin clay, 1 cup of baking soda, we have 1/2 cup of lavender buds, and we have 1/2 cup of rose petal powder. So we'll mix this all up together. This is, not only is it going to be an attraction bath clay for love and prosperity, but it's also for protection. The baking soda is for the protection. And of course, all these properties are great for the skin. All right, we're going to add our essential oils. We have 15 drops of jasmine oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $20 drops of rose essential oil. 20 drops of rose essential oil. It's pretty thick, so it takes a long time. Gonna mix this up. And we're gonna have 10 drops of cinnamon bark oil. 10 drops of cinnamon bark essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 drops of cardamom essential oil. 5 drops of cardamom essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it may be a little more than that. And then we are going to put 5 drops of vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to mix it. Look how pretty that is. This is our Magic DIY Lavender Rose Attraction Bath Clay for love and prosperity, as well as protection. And so what we're going to do, we're going to pray over it. You can say your own prayer. And so I will be muting you as I read my prayer. I'm reading a prayer from Florence Scovel Shinn's affirmation cards, and so they will be listed in the description if you would like to purchase. I repeated the prayer 3 times. Okay, so we said our prayer, and so what you can do, you can just take spoonfuls and put this in your bath, or put it in a tea bag. And these are cloth tea bags. And so that's what I prefer to use. And you just fill them up. And we will be back once they're all filled. We are finished with bagging up our Magic DIY Lavender Rose Attraction Bath Clay for love and prosperity, as well as protection. And we got 6 nice 6 bags, 6 bath teas. So I want to thank you so much, Sekhmet's children, for watching Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing this with your friends and family. Until next time.